Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I made the simple and quick ghee rice in pressure cooker. I served it along with some mint chutney, chicken tikka masala, a tandoori kebab piece, some fried eggs and slices of onion. To make this in a pressure cooker, I have taken 3 cups of rice which is washed well. Here I'm adding salt as per taste. Then goes in 3 cloves, 2 pods of cardamom. This is Maggi veg soup cube. A handful of green peas, these are frozen ones. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then I'm going to add 6 cups of water. This is biryani essence from Flying Bird brand. I'm going to add 3 drops of it. This adds flavor like the way you get it in the restaurants. Now give this a good stir. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure is released. Here is our simple ghee rice in pressure cooker ready to be served. I'm going to mix it with the help of a fork and then serve it. I served this with roughly chopped 1 onion, chicken tikka masala gravy, a piece of tandoori kebab, 2 fried eggs. This is boiled eggs fried with some spices on a tawa and mint chutney. I hope you found this video very helpful. Do give it a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.